Home Cooking with me, Hema Subramanian. Sweet snacks are a lot of fun, especially when fresh fruits are involved in it. Today I am going to share an exciting sweet bonda recipe made with dates and bananas. I can't wait to share it with you guys. It's a perfect sweet snack that you can make in minutes. Let's get started and check it out. So these are the key ingredients that go into making the sweet bonda. So for this recipe I've taken 2 ripe bananas. You can use some overripe bananas that's left over at home as well. Peel off the skin, chop them into pieces and keep it aside. You can use about 2 to 3 depending on the size of the bananas. To the bowl, add about 2 tablespoons of jaggery. If you don't have jaggery, you can use brown sugar. About a tablespoon of chopped coconut bits, 4 large pitted dates that's been finely chopped. Add a few chopped cashewnuts. Add half teaspoon of cardamom powder. Mix everything well. Next, I'm adding 1 cup of wheat flour, that is atta. Just give that a quick mix so all the ingredients are coated. Using your hand, mix all the ingredients well till it comes to a nice doughy consistency. The moisture from the bananas will help in making it into a nice dough. You don't need to add any water or any milk. Now, if you do think it's a little dry, you can just add another banana or half of a banana to get that exact texture and consistency. So you can see how it's come to a beautiful doughy consistency. So I'm just adding a teaspoon of ghee and mix that in. So now finally I'm adding a pinch of cooking soda. If you don't have cooking soda, you can just add some baking powder instead and mix that in. The dough for the sweet bonda is ready. Let this sit for about 5 minutes. Take a kadai, pour enough oil for deep frying. Once the oil is hot, maintain the flame on a medium. So you can see how soft and moist the dough is. Pinch off a little bit of the dough. Roll it into a small dough ball. And once the oil is hot, gently drop it into the oil. Maintain the flame on a medium. You can deep fry them in batches, about 5 to 6. Gently toss them around so it cooks through and it's got a lovely even color on all sides. Once they turn to a nice rich brown color, remove them from the oil and you can serve it nice and hot. Those mini sweet bondas are absolutely gorgeous. They're a nice bite size and they're really tasty. You can eat it anytime and they're super quick to make. I'll give you a couple of links in the description for other sweet treats that I've made. You can check them out as well. These sweet bondas taste best when served hot, and if you have any ripe bananas left over at home, this is a snack that you should try. So do try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now, so you can place your orders on 21frames.in.